Hi guys, welcome to our channel Trawheeling.
I am Shivi
And I am Saket.
and we take you to amazing destinations in Europe. And today we are going to show you our car Tesla and how we are making it summer ready.
Ready.
Yay! So guys, we are in the middle of a heat wave and every road trip we have had this summer in Europe has got the same problem.
You stop to charge, and when you step out of your car, the only thing you get is warm water and drink, which nobody wants.
Yes, and so we have decided to rectify this problem and we have got this amazing compressor fridge for our Tesla. It will just fit invisibly in our car and we will get fresh food and cold drinks whenever we want.
So today we are going to install it and let's see whether it's worth it or not.
Yay, let's try. So guys, this is Tlyard 16-liter compressor refrigerator and it's a built-in refrigerator. So the keyword here is built-in. So it's not just a random cooler box that you will carry in your boot. Rather than it's a engineered product that's gonna fit into your left side compartment here, like in your boot in the left side, and we are gonna show you how it's gonna fit there so that it's like a built-in refrigerator. Instead of eating up your space, it's just gonna fit in your car and it's gonna look elegant. You can see how this product looks. It's like just wonderful how it looks. Like I'm already falling in love with the design of this product. So let's get started and see how we are going to install it in our car and how it's gonna work. So let's see.
Okay, so let's see now what all comes in the box. So this is the main compressor unit, which has this 12-volt lighter charger, and it also has a velcro attached to it, so it can stick to the carpet when you fix it in the trunk. Then this is the drop-in bucket, which goes directly here where you can store all your food and drinks. It also comes with some tray to section it. This is the bottom tray. It goes drop directly in this, like this. The second tray, it has holes in it so that air can flow from top to down and make it cool whatever the items in the below tray. This also goes here. And then we have the last tray, which you can directly put in here like this. And then to attach these two items, we have the screw which goes here, and you just move it and lock it in place. And this is a product just to hide the screw, so you put it here. Okay, so let's see how we can assemble this. So first we will drop this tray. So it has handles, so you can hold like these and you can directly drop here like this. The second one goes like this, and with the handle you can easily take it out. Then it has this ledge which will go in here in the main unit. So we will just put it here, and if I will show you like this, it will slide it in here like this, and then we will just open it. So these are the screws. It goes right here. You will just turn it, put it like this. Another one goes here, turn it, press it, and then we'll put this just to hide the screw. It is a magnetic attachment, so it goes like this. And here we have the fully assembled fridge. Now when our fridge is already assembled, so there are two ways which you can assemble this fridge. Either you can drop this bucket directly here and then place it this over and push it under. This is our Model Y Juniper, which is from Berlin and it's not from China. So what we experience is when we trying to assemble it here, it will not fit in, it will not go inside, it's stuck somewhere here. So we found out another way which is very helpful, and it is quite easy. So let's see how we fit this fridge into our side trunk. So what you have to do, first make sure you have to remove this one. This is very important stuff, because without it, it will not go inside. You have to make sure you have to lift this part also. So you just lift this up, pull this part out. You don't have to remove it completely, but if you just pull it out and keep it aside like this, it will do the work. like this. Yeah. Then you will lift the fridge, put it like this. Make sure to attach the lighter. Like this. It will beep. You'll just push it like this. So there it goes, and you just push it so it's settled. The velcro will attach it, and then you can put this part back like this. And here is your fridge installed. Now you see how elegant it looks. It completely flush with the body of the car, and you don't lose any space. Every space is fine. The trunk space, the below trunk space, so everything is intact.
So guys, now that we have installed our fridge, let's test the capacity of that fridge. So we are going on a road trip this weekend, and this is what we all carry in our road trip. So let's see if our refrigerator can hold all this stuff or not.
Okay, so we have two 1 liter bottles here, and there we go. These are two 500 ml. Okay, so now try to put these inside. These are some 300 ml. There goes this, and then you can put this also to better organize the stuff. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So guys, this is a 16-liter refrigerator which can hold both food items as well as drinks. Right now we are only carrying drinks because we are going for a weekend road trip, but in future we are definitely gonna store a lot of food items in here because it can carry your vegetables, fresh fruits and other stuff. So yeah, this is quite a useful refrigerator we are gonna have, and it's gonna be very useful for us on our summer road trip. So yes.
Okay, now it's time to turn on this fridge. We'll just remove this. Quite satisfying. Ooh. Now you press this button for 3 seconds and it will beep. And now you see it shows it's set at -3. Right now the current temperature is 30. So if you want to change the temperature, press once, it starts blinking, and then you can rotate this knob. So this is at low, -6, -2, 1, and goes all the way up to 20. So once you set the temperature, either leave it here or you can just press it, then start freezing. Right now the temperature is 30. Once it's cooled down, it will come to -6. So apart from this, you can also control this fridge from the app. You just have to go to App Store or Play Store, search for Teame, and you just install the app. Just open it and it will show the option to add device. You will click on add device. It will find the nearby fridge with Bluetooth, and you just click it and it's connected. Voila. You can see a lot of options here. You can turn it on, off. You can select the option to refrigerate. You can go on to eco mode, or you can put it in colder mode, which will set it the lowest mode here, and it will say how much the current voltage is, what is the working condition, whether it's colder or refrigerate, and here is the temperature. Also, if you go below, you'll see all the details here, which mode sets to at what temperature, and there is a setting option also. So if you won't prefer whatever the name you want to put it, you can put that name here. The temperature unit, whether you want Fahrenheit or Celsius, I keep it at Celsius. and this is a firmware upgrade. If they release any upgrade, it will be here. Yeah, so that's how you control this fridge. By default, Tesla cuts power to all the accessories outlet as soon as you leave the car. So if you want your fridge to be running, this is the setting you must turn on in your Tesla. Car icon, charging tab, scroll to keep accessories power on, toggle it on, that's keep the fridge and all the accessories running until the battery drops to 20%. Now the question we know you will ask is, how much range does it eat?
So guys, we checked this. Once the refrigerator is up and running and it is down to particular temperature, it only takes about half a kilowatt per hour in a whole 24 hours. That's about 3 kilometers of range.
3 kilometer for fresh food and cold drinks all day, that's the trade we will take all the time.
Yes.
So now we have put all the drinks inside and let's wait and see how much time it will take to make them cold. Okay, so now it's half an hour and let's see what's the status of our drink. You. It's cold.
Honestly, this is the cleanest car upgrades we have done so far. So no clutter, no lost space and no compromise.
It's stealth. The boot looks exactly the same and we have cold food waiting at every trailer head, every charging stop, every time we open that trunk.
For summer road trips in Europe, this is a no-brainer. So guys, if you want to grab one for your Tesla, we have got an exclusive discount for you guys from Tlyard. So you can use Trawheeling as the discount code and you will get up to 27% discount for your fridge.
Drop us a comment below and let us know what the first thing you are going to put in your Tesla road trip fridge.
Yeah, and please, if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and see where our Sangi takes us next. So bye bye guys.